Hello there. If you want to remove the background of your photo with just one click, then you are in the right place. So for example, you can see this my picture right here, remove the background, and it's very smooth. The cutout is very smooth. I will show you how you can do this with just one click. So you just need to open your browser. It doesn't matter if you have a mobile phone or a PC, and you are going to type in this right here, remove PG. You understand? So you're just going to search that on your browser and you're going to enter. So you have to open this website. You see that particular icon. There are a lot of websites, but this one is the perfect one. The cutout is really good. You understand? So you can see other websites, but make sure you check that website icon to get into the correct website. So when you open the website, you will have this upload option right here, in which you just have to click on and upload a picture. So like I said, it doesn't matter if you are using a phone or a PC, all will work. You understand? So when you click on the upload image, then you just have to go to the directory and select the picture in which you want to remove the background. Okay, so we are going to remove the background on this picture. So when you select it, it will process for a few seconds. As you can see right here, the cutout is great, but I'm not seeing one of my ear. You will see how fast the cutout is. You just have to go to this erase option right here, as you can see right there. So you can reduce the size. Yeah, you can reduce the size. Then you click on restore. Then click on the position in which the cutout mess with, then everything will be good. Once you click on it, you just have to tap on it one time, then the tool will automatically select everything correctly. So not every image you will have to do this on every image, just few images. Like you saw the background, it was really complicated to cut out automatically. As you can see, that's very easy. So if this is helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.